Here are foods that can cause health problems when heated a second time. Spinach contains various vitamins, minerals, and nutrients. Spinach should be cooked by washing with vinegar water and should not be reheated. The conversion of nitrate into nitrite and nitrosamines when reheated can lead to serious food poisoning. Eggs are a source of protein but should not be reheated. The protein structure breaks down and the amount of water in it decreases. It can cause food poisoning and digestive problems. If cooked potatoes are left at room temperature, they can produce toxins and cause botulism poisoning. It should be stored cold or consumed as potato salad. Mushrooms should be cooked for the amount to be consumed. Reheating can cause digestive problems. Chicken should be cooked and consumed fresh. Leftover chicken can be kept cold and used in salads or sandwiches. When reheated, chicken can cause various digestive system disorders due to the change in protein composition. Beetroot can form toxic compounds that can have a carcinogenic effect when reheated. Like spinach, beetroot should not be reheated due to the nitrate it contains. Rice that is stored in airtight storage containers after serving and refrigerated within 1 hour after cooking can be reheated in a healthy way. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications for more videos.